Welcome to another Forex forecast with Blue Pips Forex. I'm Francis, and in this video I'm going to be making a full breakdown of AudJpy, showing the major levels of structures in the market from the monthly time frame down to the daily time frame, and how I'm going to be trading around these levels this coming days or weeks. So without further waste of time, let's get down to the video. Okay, so this is AudJpy and this is the monthly time frame, and the first thing we can see is this descending channel, and we can see that from here we had resistance up here, we had resistance at this point, we had resistance here, and you can see that from this area we had support once here, once again at this point, and once again at this point. So now we can see that this month is threatening to close above this channel resistance at that area right there. However, last month failed to give us a monthly close above, as you can see that it's closed marginally below the channel. So from the monthly time frame, we could have a situation where this month's candle could turn into a pin bar and close back within this channel. So from the monthly time frame, using a structural perspective, we are not 100% sure of where the market is likely to go next from the monthly time frame, because we might still see continuation to these highs right here. As you can see, we had one impulse. This could have served as a correction for the next impulse higher. So it's a little bit dicey from the monthly time frame. It could go either way from the monthly time frame. So let's see what we have from the weekly time frame. Okay, so this is the weekly time frame on AudJpy, and what we have is a market that made this little downward move and then made the next push upwards. So now we're at resistance right here. We can see that we have resistance at this point, and we are going to go back in the past. We see that area has acted as both resistance and support several times. So now the price is at resistance at this point. So one of two things can happen. We can either see a break or can see rejection of that level. But taking the fact that we already have this kind of strong impulsive momentum from the weekly time frame, I can expect that it will just continue. So what I'll be expecting will be to see continuation within this week. However, if we get a rejection of this area, say maybe a weekly rejection of that area, then probably what we might be seeing next is a drop to retest this support, this resistance right here as support right here. So for now, as long as we have this momentum, what we will expect to see will be continuation upwards. So that's what we have on the daily time frame. Alright, so here we have the daily time frame, and the last time I talked about this pair, the price was still trading somewhere. I think that was when this green candle had formed, and what we expected was to see a retest of this area and continuation to this resistance right here, or a daily close above this area, retest and continuation upward. And you can see that the two scenario played out just as we expected. We saw a retest of this area before the next move higher, and even when we had a daily close above this area, we had the retest the next day and continuation to the overall target. So, and I'm going to link this analysis in the description below for further reference. So now we have the price at resistance, and normally it's never a wise thing to be buying any pair at resistance right now. So what we will expect will be one of two things. I'll just take out this horizontal rectangle here, so just to make the chart neat. Okay, so what I'll be expecting now from AudJpy will be one of two things: either to see the price make this push down to retest this level of resistance we have here. As you can see, we had an impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse. So we already know that we are on an uptrend from the daily time frame, so we can expect to see a correction down to this area around 77.47. So if we are going to see a retest of this area as support and a rejection, then we can start positioning ourselves for the next long trade to the next daily level of resistance at 79.69. If the price will fail to give us this retest to this area, then what we'll expect to see next will be a daily close above this highs right here around 78, 76. So we are going to see a daily close above this area. Say the price just comes and gives us a daily close above this area, then on the retest of this area as support, we'll be taking a long trade to our overall daily target at 79.69. So that's going to be all on this analysis. If you enjoy it, smash the like button, click on the subscribe button, also click the bell notification to enable you get our videos whenever we upload a new video. Until we meet in the next video, have a wonderful week.